At the wrong time to start filming. It's like white knuckle around here. It is 10 to 6 and we're off. We're off in a motor car. We don't know where we're going, except we do. We're going to the carboot. We're going to our usual. We're going to the usual, but there is a possibility we could do 4, possibly 5 carboots this morning. Because there's 2 that are right close to each other, and then the other one what I usually go to on the way, there's a new one that reopened up because they did it last year as well on the way, and then I've got my local as well, so that's technically 5 I could do. Isn't that good, Jeff?
Isn't it?
Yeah. I've got a really positive feeling about it. The sun, it looks like it's going to be sunny. The weather looks really great, like proper carboot weather, really nice summery weather. Yes, you're in a good mood too, aren't you? And yeah, I'm hoping I'm going to pick up some really good bits.
I think it was originally, you put your phone in it, and then when your phone rang, but I tried to get him working the other day, but I don't know whether he ever worked when I had him, because somebody got him in. But I don't think he was in a box or anything.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Is it David?
How much room? 50p. That was alright. It wasn't too bad.
No.
It's very busy. Very busy.
It looks it as well.
Yeah, lots of buyers there. Lots of sellers as well. There was lots of traders there. I've decided I'm not going to the second carboot, which is nearer, because that's a tiny one, and I just can't be bothered.
Which one? The one at Alsace?
The Vagrants one.
Oh, Vegas.
Yeah, it's a bit. I don't know. I'm sure. We'll watch it be like the biggest one it's ever had. No, I'm not going. We're going to Hanley now, and that's like my regular, really.
Yeah.
But, we'll see. See if there's anything good there. I have a feeling. Still got good feeling.
Oh,
Good juju. Yeah. Got a coffee. Perked up. Yes, I am, and I'm good.
I'll do as a breakfast when we get into 6.
Oh, you're on camera saying that now.
Well, I'll do as a breakfast. I usually do, don't I?
Yes, are you having a breakfast as well, bud?
You know, sausage bacon.
Morning.
What, darling? Okay, where are you? Oh, you're there. Sorry. Morning, George.
You alright?
Long time no see.
I know. Did you have fun on your holiday?
Yeah.
Good. Cheers. Thank you. I've just managed to get a Berghaus jacket, a potentially real Prada jacket, and a really nice embroidered white stuff jumper for a fiver. I think now I'm going to carboot number 3. Okay, I have done okay at the carboot. Not amazing, but okay. Got a Jaguar bag for £1. This guy for £1. I got him with 2 tops as well. I got this Dora, she talks, for £1. I got this for £1. It's a Moana. Ooh. It does work. I've tested it. What else? Oh yeah, I got this for £1. It's like a phone holder. What's it? Bag plus. Got another Moana doll because the second movie's coming out for 50p. It's a Baskin Robbins Build-A-Bear. These were between 15 and 20. Puss in Boots for 50p. Mushrooms, some superhero mushrooms. This is a white stuff lamb's wool. It's a size 12, but it's just nice. Never really usually buy lambs white stuff, but it's just very nice. I got that. I got this Prada jacket as well. And I got a Berghaus fleece, all for £5, which is great. That probably goes for about 15 to 20. The jacket, I don't know, maybe 50. Ooh, it's falling off. Okay, I got these 2 bits for £5. This one is a JW Anderson. It's like a pullover, but it's a Uniqlo collab. Uniqlo Disney collab. It's just a Mickey Mouse kind of neon thing. I kind of like it. But that's basically my haul. I thought I'd do amazing. I still did okay, but yeah, that Prada jacket's a good one. I think I'll be happy with that. Oh, and I got this guy, and he does work. I got a Yoda, but it's for me. It's I paid £10. It's from Revenge of the Sith. It's meant to have like a lightsaber, but it does work, and yeah, it goes on my shelf with these guys. Anywho, thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.